Friends, Running Kimono here. So let's talk about the Walgreens preview. And guess what showed up this morning, which is Friday, November the 25th, boosters. So go to your digital coupons folder, check at the very top, and see if you might have one of two. I saw the 5 back when you spend 20 and then the 10 back when you spend 50. Load them right away, and definitely these will come into play next week over at Walgreens. Okay, friends, so it is valid from that window of November the 27th to December the 3rd. They are of a one-time use. Let's not forget not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, or it will mess everything up. For the balance, use your debit card, credit card, or bills. And if you might be so lucky to get a paper booster, yes, it stacks one paper, one digital. Okay, and because you guys love to see Gizmo so much, here's a new photo of the kitten. And as we're cresting into a new month, we're going to have new monthly deals. And check this weekend if your local newspaper might have the P&G insert. You might want to thumb through that Sunday or Saturday paper and see what they might have. I think this weekend the December P&G might be appearing, but I might be wrong depending on your region. In case you might have missed it, I will link this video at the very end. We have a very cheap double pack of like trimmers over at Walgreens, super cheap. And then Rite Aid has like 6 different freebies. I got $50 of merch for free, a $14 moneymaker on Pepsi. You might want to check out this video, especially if you have a Rite Aid pharmacy. And these deals are valid until Saturday, November the 26th. So it wasn't just Thanksgiving, it's going for the next 2 days over at Rite Aid. Looking at the cover of the flyer again from the 27th till December the 3rd, and there's new gifts of the week. We're going to take a peek at those. We have a 35% off Sharper Image, 40% off of number 7. Definitely going to look at that one for a curbside deal. 50% off of Russell Stover's or Whitman samplers, and then 50% off of the Yankee candles. That one interests me. Let's look at these deals of the week. There's a whole bunch of them. This is a new month, and the promotion for most of this is buy 3, get back a $5 probably store register reward. We're going to have to wait and see what that's all about. But these are the deals of the week. The first one that piques my interest is the $1.99 for the Arm & Hammer products. Now, this is a phenomenal price because Arm & Hammer is usually $7.49 for one at pharmacies. Now, if you might have this guy, $4 register reward, store coupon register reward, mine's expiring on Sunday, so I got to use it right away. So here's just an idea for a deal. Grabbing 3 of these for $5.97, subtracting that $4 store register reward, and also throw in $2 in Walgreens cash. If your store, you can use some Walgreens cash to pay down the tax. Most of us are able to do that. Just pay down the tax for this after everything's said and done, and I think this is a super smart deal. Next deal that we have is on the Cottonelle, Kleenex, and Viva paper products for $4.99. This stuff is usually upwards of like $7.49. Using that $4 store coupon from last week, use one of those and pay 99 cents. Also super smart. So this deal, 2 for $21 on the Pampers. The third one will bring up for $10.50 part of the sales price. So let's use this booster if you might have it. $5 of Walgreens cash when you spend $20. Grabbing 3 bags of the Pampers, that will be $31.50. We're going to get a 3 off a 2 digital on Sunday morning. Make sure you have your 5 back when you spend $20 booster loaded. Pay $28.50 with your debit card. Get back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash. That's $10, making it $18.50 for the 3 or $6.16 per bag. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance with this booster. The next little deal that we have is 3 for $15 on the Pantene, $5 reward when you buy 3, and there's going to be a 3 off a 3 digital on Sunday. Grabbing 3 of these guys for $15, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $12, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $7 for the 3 or $2.33 per shampoo. And if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, you're doing this one without a booster, absolutely go for it. Now looking at another deal, this is $6.49. We're going to have a $1 digital, dropping it down to $5.49. If you might have a $5 store coupon and you want to throw that in, you can potentially get this bounty for 49 cents. Another great deal is with the Oral-B or Crest. Definitely check your IBOTTA account if there might be some sort of rebate for those Oral-B brushes. Sometimes they pop up, sometimes they don't. But anyhow, grabbing 2 of the Crest pastes at $6 a pop, a 3 off a 2 digital, you're going to pay $3, get back a $3 register reward, making this free. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay for it and still earn that register reward. And double, triple check IBOTTA if there might be some generous rebates. Okay, the next little deal that we have, earn $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend $20 on Burt's Bees Holiday Care, these gift sets that I love so much. The monthly promotion of buy 2, get the 3rd for free on skincare, no longer happening. That was last month. Just remember that. So what I would do if you really love to gift Burt's Bees, and I'm one of these people, I love to gift Burt's Bees, I would try and grab at least $20. And if you have your booster loaded, like spend 20, get back 5, pay with your debit card $20, and then you're going to get back $5 reward plus $5 in Walgreens cash, making it, $10 back. So it makes it $10 for your item. So it's like 50% off. As you're using a booster with this, let's not forget to pay with your debit card for the balance, and do not use any store register rewards as well. So the Irish Spring and Soft Soap will be $4.99. Earn a $5 reward when you buy 2. Typically a $2 digital coupon pops up for this, but we'll have to wait and see. Grabbing 2 of them at $9.98, sans coupon, getting back that $5 reward. It makes it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per body wash. And remember, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, go for it without a booster. Yes, you can. And let's keep an eye out for that digital coupon on Sunday morning. Next little deal that we have is on the Nivea body wash, $5 a pop, earn $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3. I would love to see some digitals on Sunday morning for this. Grabbing 3 for $15, get back that $5 register reward. It makes it $10 for the 3 or $3.33 per. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use some Walgreens cash. I'd like to see, again, if there's a digital coupon Sunday morning for this one, because that might be a better deal. IBOTTA, no rebates for this guy either at this time. Okay, looking at this, a 4 for $16 for the Gain Care. So you're going to grab 4 Gain laundry products. So that's a total of $16. I would use a $5 store register reward that you've earned in previous deals, and $10 in Walgreens cash, and pay $1 and call this the world's smartest deal. If you did not use this digital coupon $2.25 off the Dawn Power Wash last week, you have until Wednesday to do this deal. It's $4.99 at Walgreens. Subtracting that digital, it's $2.74 for a power wash. Let's talk quickly about some honorable mentions. A surprise every day, a beauty advent calendar at 50% off. I'm curious what kind of cosmetics is in here. If it's anything great, this might be something to pick up. So we're going to have to investigate that one. The next deal is all predicated on digital coupons. If we get $2 back for the brush and the paste, or a 4 off a 2, this could be a freebie, but I don't know the digital coupons yet, so we have to wait and see, guys. And this guy, whenever it's $3.99, it's usually $7.49. They always provide like a $1.25 or a $1.50 digital coupon, so that'll make it $2 and some change. If you're allergic to everything, this is a great one to buy. And then 2 for $8 for the Godiva. That specific one, there's usually a Catalina and some sort of coupon that shows up. Keep your eyes peeled in the next couple weeks for that deal. I really want to wait. If you guys hear any information, let me know. But I think there might be something to that. So let's hope they give it to us again this year for some cheap chocolate. And I know there's IBOTTA rebates specifically for Godiva right now on the IBOTTA app. And if you love these nice designer fragrance kits or sets, 25% off. Perhaps use a bit of Walgreens cash or store register rewards so you're paying very little. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.